So if you ever want to know what a Airbnb in Zagreb, Croatia looks like, here it is. Got the second bedroom in here, bathroom, kitchen over here. If you're traveling with a family and kids and all that, Airbnb is the best way to go. That's for sure, because you have so much space and about half the cost of a hotel, and especially in the middle of the town, the middle of the center of Zagreb. Here's the master bedroom. And again, this is in the middle of Zagreb. This is like the main square. And here's the view outside.